So we are doing the same thing. Babylonian teachings are in our ranks. Evolution. It's more desirable than a thus says the Lord. Babylonian worship styles, we have them all, are more desirable than a reasonable service. Nowhere have these liturgy feasts brought revival and heart-searching. They have brought only strife, misery, and a falling away, wherever they're practiced in the world. Preach the word, omit the chaff. These greatly long for some new strange thing to present, and in their great zeal to become original, some will bring in fanciful ideas which are but chaff. So we have coffee churches and all of these things. Even now there's a descending from the sublime. We have churches with big posters on them and drawings on them which says, let your hair down. What is this? Living issues for this time to the ridiculous and fanciful and sensational mind stand ready to catch up suppositions and guesses and human theories and false science as truth to be accepted and taught. We have all of it in our midst, and in spite of it, this is the apple of the Lord's eye.